put a lot of work into this game. Some minor changes and some major changes since you guys last saw it. We put a little video in the beginning just to explain kind of the story behind it. Basically, you're a monkey, you overate, you overslept while everybody else was asleep in the island from the volcano eruption. You got stuck there, so now you have to find a way out. It's like a little 17-second video, and it just goes straight into the menu. For our menu, we made a few changes. So we have our credits, which just shows everything. You set it a little tiny tutorial just to show movement. Movement and some of the other stuff. High scores. These are actually global high scores, so they're hosted online. You can play it anywhere and upload your high score. Now go to classic there. Our classic is where you climb to a certain point. Again, we're a climbing game, we're a vertical platformer. You avoid the lava. Oh wow, this is really lower, smaller than it usually looks. But anyways, level 1's pretty easy. You get up there to the balloon, that's it. Go to another level. Oh yeah, if you die, you get a couple little ghosts and you fly away. That's if you get squid. I guess go back to classic and another level just to show it. If you get squished. If you get hit by the lava or the bird, you just kind of die another way, kind of fall off. Alright, so if you stop, if you die to the lava, just quickly get. If you die to the lava, there's a bit of a different animation. It's not too different from the bird, except go back to the main menu. So as you guys saw, click on classic. Classic. So Jeremy played that first game and he beat it. He beat it in enough time that he got 3 stars, and that accumulates right here. That goes the same with the challenge levels. Once you do all 3 on 3 stars, you unlock the secret level. We also did the same with the challenge. Go back, yeah. For the challenge menu, we did the same thing. You can play one of them. When you get 3 stars in all of them, you unlock that secret level. And those secret levels are going to be much harder, and they're going to unlock stuff like a hat or something for your monkey. Oh, there you go, Spec. Alright, yeah, the first ones are really easy. But yeah, you can see the 3 stars there. There's some different ones. This one's a bit harder, but usually, I think it's just the way that the HDMI connection works, but you have a much wider field of view. You can see a lot more of the screen. I'm not sure why it looks like that. It's playable, so it's fine. But usually you can see more vertically and horizontally as well. Go to the menu. Yeah, and then our third level, or our third way of playing is called Endless. This is where those high scores come in, those global high scores. You just go as high as you can. Nothing stops you. You can get as high as you can. There's enemies pretty much all around. We're adding new enemies as well, and you see the high scores there. You submit. I have to get one. Oh, there you go. But yeah, that's pretty much the endless level. I will say there's a huge learning curve when it comes to this game. The challenge levels and these levels were tested with some of our friends, and like I said to the last level, some of 4th graders. You do get a lot better the more you play. Like there's this pretty steep learning curve, but it's there. And the challenge levels, in order to get 3 stars, those were all calibrated from our testing. So I think it was top 90% of scores. That's what you get 3 stars for, and then on you get lower stars going on. Yeah, there's the high scores. I thought that was a good addition because we are after all a vertical climber, so getting to the high scores is what you want to do, really. I think we showed everything. Does anybody have any questions? Yes.
So how do you actually get the high scores?
How do you actually get them?
Yeah.
There's 2 things that contribute to your high score. The amount of bananas you grab that are falling from the sky, as well as the highest point you've reached. You can fall back down, right?
Okay.
So, but it still stays up there. So if you pass that level, then you go again. Every banana gives you 5 height points. So that added together, that's your high score.
Okay.
So it really depends on whether you're gonna go for the bananas because it might be risky and you're gonna fall off, maybe hit lava or an enemy.
So is that like hosted somewhere on the database?
How we hosted them?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're using Microsoft cloud services.
Oh, okay.
Fun fact: this this morning we actually had the game running on a website, and we're gonna put it up on a website and have you guys play it while I'm explaining. But that video we had at the beginning, I don't know what it did. It broke everything. So we don't have the website, but maybe next time we'll have it. You guys can play it. Yeah, we're pretty mad about that. But it's still playable. It's here. You just can't play it yourself.